That hurt, so that's why I gotta do it that way. I gotta build up for that. I, y'all heard how it sound? That mean it hurt.